This is the DIY Garden Minute by Spoken Garden, teaching you tips and tricks for your garden in minutes. Find more quick topics over at spokengarden.com and click on that Listen tab. Today, I want to tell you the 5 different pruning truths that you need to know when you're pruning your plants either this spring or any other time of year. Pruning plants can be stressful and really confusing. That's why it's a really good idea to know your plant's general growth cycle, including when it flowers and how it likes to grow. Whether you are pruning in the spring, summer, fall, or winter, we have put together 5 truths to pruning your plants that will help you prune your best every time. Understanding these 5 truths will put you and your plants on the right garden road to healthy growth and being successful in your garden. Pruning truth number 1, the best time to prune a plant is right after it has finished flowering. Pruning your plant after flowering ensures that your plant goes through its regular reproductive cycle and you don't potentially prune away any flowers before they get a chance to open. This way, you get to enjoy all that your plant has to offer and your plant hasn't wasted any energy or time developing those flowers. Truth number 2, the 1/3 rule. Never remove more than 1/3 of any plant's branches or mass at any one time. This is because you can trigger a reactive or panic type of growth from your plant, and removing too many leaves and branches can severely stress any plant out, leading to other growth problems including diseases, pests, and a major delay in future flowering. Now, truth number 3, the harder you prune, the greater the reactive growth. This pairs well with pruning truth number 2, where the more you cut away from a plant, the more growth it reacts with to compensate and replace what you just removed. And this reactive growth isn't as orderly as normal plant growth, so the plant's growth can then look abnormal or unnatural, which leads us to truth number 4. The more heading cuts or tip cuts or hedging of the plant that you do, the more you'll have to keep pruning then later. This is a mostly universal pruning truth where you make lots of heading cuts or continually hedge plants, the more clustering of dense growth you can have that will look more and more unnatural, where you will have to prune that plant a lot more to keep it healthy, where if you hadn't kept hedging it, it wouldn't need so much pruning attention. And truth number 5, the cleaner and better cutting technique when you make your cut, the faster your plant will heal. Do your best to make 45-degree cuts at 1/4 to 1 inch above any buds or points of attachment. Your plant can quickly heal and seal that cut to then efficiently put its energy back into growing more stems, leaves, and flowers for you to enjoy. Now, the sloppier your cutting technique, the longer your plants will take to heal, so do your best so your plants can too. These 5 pruning truths can be applied at any time of year, especially depending on which plant you want to prune. Make sure to know your plant's growing cycle, including when and how it flowers, so you can do your best pruning and care. So, what plants in your garden need pruning right now based on these 5 truths? Let us know by tagging us on Instagram, Facebook, or on X. We'd love to follow your garden journey. If you want to learn more about a specific garden topic, you can go to spokengarden.com and type your garden topic into the search bar at the top of the page. Also, if you're looking for 10 to 15% off deals on garden supplies, seeds, bulbs, or containers, head over to the Spoken Garden Deals page to save money on your next garden online purchase at spokengarden.com/deals. All links will be in this episode's description. Thanks for listening. You can find other quick tip garden topics on our podcast page at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab at the top of the page. And make sure to subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss our future garden episodes. We'll see you in the garden.